Hey guys, Jamaican Shore Fishing, welcome back to the channel. I don't know how this wind is going to affect this camera, guys, but we even having some wicked weather, guys. We have it up, came a little bit further up, not getting much of a good reading up that side either. Yeah, this is really shallow. I shouldn't even be messing around right here, guys. I'm not even going to mess around, because what's going to happen is that my lure is going to get stuck, and I'm not going to be happy about that. Come on, move on, so guys, don't come down here, so. Water kind of clear on this side, yeah. On the breeze, so not heavy. I get a better lure vibe with that lure, yeah. Bye, boss. Hey guys. See if we can pick up something nice shallow just for guys. Grass. Nope, nothing but grass right there. this pier. I've caught a few barras here before, guys. I guarantee you're gonna pick something up right here, but they always hang around here though. Sean, guys. Boy, you're fast, boy. Calm down. Fireman! Fast boy. Big boy, man. Secured. Hello? Yo. Eh. Oh yeah? No, just hold one barrel look a while upon the pier. Then behind something there, man. On Tropical Beach. Yeah, hold one barrel look a while. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, this one hit the lure pretty hard. He's about a 2-pounder, yeah. Yeah. Alright, well, I just held the barrel. Hey, buddy. Good catch. Ah, he was running it down. I seen him. Let's go. Let me get my string out, guys. I want to string this guy up. I didn't even bring my damn cooler today, guys. You guys was hanging out here, guys, so this is one of the processes that I gotta go through. Get my string out, get him strung up, get him back in the water for a little bit, keep him fresh. So I gotta go through his gill. String, guys. I know. I can do to help you, buddy. Yeah, guys, so I'm hunting. I'm actually searching, but the shallows here are kind of filled up, so I won't take nothing up here. I'm gonna head home. Cool, man.